My name is Jorge Cardenas. I am the CIO for the City of Brownsville. And, just want to say I'm here at the Innovation Day here at the NTT DATA building. And, just want to say it was a great day coming here. Learned a lot. We had a panel this morning and had the opportunity to share the story from Brownsville and the partnership with NTT DATA and how our journey in the city of Brownsville, the classes, the workshop has been amazing. We had the opportunity to learn about, the call center. One of those things that it really resonates with me is how the call centers operate and the things that we can really take back to the city and put in place. So really love the opportunity to be here, and these are the things that I like about NTT, the time they take to show us what they do and the things that could really work for us. So really love to be here, and we'll love to keep coming back. Oh, I think if you want to learn something, and if you're really looking forward to picking the brain of those who live it day to day, you need to come here. You have a lot of smart people. You have members from MIT. You have the NTT staff, very knowledgeable. They have a really amazing lab where you can learn. So you have to come.